guys, this is Rolando, your credit coach, coming from the beautiful city of Beverly Hills. And this week I want to talk about what does it mean when a credit report company says results guaranteed. The credit bureaus have to respond to you within 30 to 45 days. So you're receiving the results. That's 100% results guaranteed. What they're leaving out is the kind of results you're gonna get. It's very hard for me, even as an expert, to look at a credit report and guarantee the type of results you're gonna get. Now, I'm saying you're gonna get results. The results you're gonna receive might not be the ones you want. So be very careful when you say 100% results guaranteed, because you are gonna get results. And it's very hard for a credit report company, without even looking at a credit report, to say that they can actually help you improve your credit. They need to view a credit report. They have to identify what is reporting. And off of that, they could decide whether they can help you. And if they can help you, what are the steps they're gonna take in order to help you improve your credit. So be very, very careful when you hear that verbiage that is so untrue. 100% results guaranteed. See you guys soon.